Construction-grade silicone sealant. Tools. Masking tape, caulk gun, caulk finishing tool. Surface preparation. Remove old sealant. Surface must be clean, dry, and free of paint and contaminants such as dirt, dust, rust, loose materials, oils, chemicals. Attach masking tape to the sides of work area to ensure a neat and professional application. Application. When applying sealant, hold caulk gun at 45 degrees angle and pull it towards you. If needed, use a foam backer rod to control the gap depth and sealant consumption. Finishing. Use caulk finishing tool or wet finger with soapy water to push sealant further into the gap. Remove tape before sealant dries. Protect application from water exposure for at least 4 hours.
ABC, sigurado ka dito?